Put it in your basket.
You know, how can be a good Easter bunny moving fun?
Yeah, that would be fun. I see your Easter basket. You might want to look in the chair. Is there some in there under the chair? Did you find some in there?
No, there's no.
There's none in there? Yeah. Put it in your basket. I think there's more. You got to find them.
There's a purple one.
Is it really purple?
I can't.
Here, get it. Look behind you. I see one. Look up. Shy.
Shy, you should check the bathrooms.
Cheyenne. Shy, right here. Look.
I see it behind me.
Yeah, it was behind you. Should we go check the bathroom? Maybe there's some in the bathroom.
Easter bunny had to go to the bathroom, right?
Oh, I think you might have missed some. We can come back and get those. Okay, come on.
Shy, what do you want for breakfast?
Yeah.
Let me see it.
What's in that? What's in there?
Candy.
Put in your Easter basket.
I'm into it.
Okay.
These are
Is there any? Do you see any more?
no.
You better look. Are you looking really hard? That's okay. Are you looking really hard?
There's one more. Where?
Did you check the tub?
No.
Did you check over there? I see one.
This is it.
Good job.
Mommy. Ah!
Here,
I'm putting
we'll just put it in there.
candy. I'll hold it. And for Daddy, and for me, and for Papa.
Are you gonna share your candy with Papa?
Uh-huh.
Here, you can. We'll just put them in there for now, and then we'll open them later. Okay?
Okay.
That's your special Easter basket. Well, that's just your Easter basket. That's not the special one.
No.
We gotta find the special one yet. Oh, I see some more eggs.
Hey! I want that. I got one.
Look at how full your basket is getting.
Daddy, there's candy
Did you
for
find that?
No, not yet.
Daddy, there's candy with you.
Oh, okay, a little later. Can you check the other bathroom and see if there's anything?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
There's Mommy's one.
Thank you, baby. Let's go check the other bathroom.
Okay. No. No, we can't have it. Here, Daddy.
No. Keep that over there. Check the other bathroom.
Hey!
Is there more eggs in here?
Got one. Purple one for Mama. Purple one for Daddy. Ah!
You got lots of eggs.
You got lots of eggs.
Mom spoils you.
Is there some in the shower, you think?
Do you think the bunny took a shower? What's that?
Baby Robin!
No, that's for you.
That's for you, honey.
What a sweetheart.
He got one in the bedroom. See? He got one.
Oh, maybe Daddy can get that open for you.
He's here.
We can do this out in the living room, huh? I think you have a couple more eggs to find.
Come on, baby.
Okay.
Yeah, baby Donovan will get one next year.
Yeah, he got one in the bedroom. He got one. Oh, I gotta go here. Oh.
Oh, you had the pink on the orange, huh? Just put it in your basket. It's okay that it's not shut. Hey, just put them in there. Don't open anymore. Here's the orange one.
I want to open for Daddy and Mama.
I know, but you did. Daddy's opening your Easter basket. Let's go.
Let's go. Daddy, let's go.
Let's go.
Look at your Easter basket.
Where is it?
It's on the counter. It's on the table.
Happy Easter, Papa.
Happy Easter, Papa.
Oh, happy Easter, pumpkin. Hey, kiss. Give me a kissy.
There's some egg in here.
That's not egg. That's a ball. Oh, look!
There's some egg in here.
Well, she thought that ball was an egg. It's to play outside.
I'm gonna go play outside with
What
you.
else did you get in here? Look at all the candy and hop. Oh, your airheads. Well, you have some more eggs to find. Let's find some more eggs first.
Okay.
Where's your bucket?
Got Pop Rocks too?
There's some on it.
Can you get it? I don't think so. Shy, look! Look, I found... Uh-oh. It's okay. Just put them in your basket.
No.
Vega, no.
No.
She's just helping you. Holy cow, your Easter basket's almost full. You better check over there. I think there's might be some more.
One here. This one.
I think I see one up here. You have another Easter basket to find. Do you see anything?
That's her big duck. That's her big duck.
That's for you, pumpkin.
You're raising the bar pretty nice here, honey.
Holy cow, you got a big Easter basket.
Next year she's going to take out everything out of the snow. That's mine.
Yeah, I know.
Daddy, look.
Holy shnikes. Uh-oh, get that before Vega does. Vega's like, what's my Easter basket?
Don't eat
I'm your
it.
firstborn.
Daddy.
We're bad adopted parents, I know.
Hey, why are you taking it all out? Set it on the table,
Sit it on the
baby.
table, honey, so Vega doesn't get it.
Good thing I cleaned the floors
Oh, are
yesterday.
you sure that's shiny? It's your basket. It's not mommy's.
Got your hands. Mommy has her stash in the cupboard.
I was going to say, that's up mommy's all her favorites.
Honey, put your Easter basket on the table.
I love you, honey.
Love you too.
Oh,
Happy Easter, baby Donovan.
They're going to get this, Mama. This.
What? Oh, that's okay.
This.
That's okay. You left some eggs in the office.
Oh, and oh. There's a big cake.
Holy cow, that's a big one. What's in there?
Candy.
Yeah.
Down for Papa. Down for me. Down for Mama. Down for me.
Oh, you're going to share? That's so sweet. Thank you, baby. You can put it in your Easter basket. We'll save them for later.
No, Vega, no. Thank you.
You should have big on the Easter one.
I want Easter basket like me. I want Easter
I see 2 more eggs, and then I think you might be done.
We'll be finding those eggs for
There's an egg in my outfit.
Holy cow, you have a lot of eggs.
Yeah, did you count how many you put me?
Not for here.
She got more chocolate than Halloween.
Honey, it's going to all go in one bag, and guess who will help her?
Look, Daddy.
Her mother?
All of us, I'm sure.
Daddy, look.
I know.
Look it. It's here. All the candy.
Vega wants some.
Oh, no.